Is your TV just not smart enough? Well, let's look at this product. Welcome back to Good Tech Cheap. I'm today's host Matthew, and today we're going to be taking a look at the SuperBox S6 Max Android TV box. That's right, what are you behind on the news? Android TV boxes are like the future, but they've been around a while. So, in every episode of Good Tech Cheap, we'll do a full unboxing and review. So, let's get into it. Welcome back to Good Tech Cheap. This is the SuperBox S6 Max right here. This is an Android TV box. Does up to 6K. It's got Android 12 on it. Packaging looks fantastic. Very nice. Let's open it up. Here is our user manual right here. Looks like it's short and sweet. Plus, it's in full color, which I'm always a huge fan of. So, just setting it up, some troubleshooting info, but everything you need is right there. We have our power cable right here, which is nice, short, and simple. Just plug it into the wall, plug it into your SuperBox. An HDMI cable is included. We're always huge fans of that, and it's a nice length on an HDMI cable right here. So everything you need right here comes included. We have the SuperBox remote, and wow, this thing is nice. Definitely high quality right here. Some information on the back for programming it. And my goodness, listen. Good clicking sounds come out of it. Looks like you can adjust the volume. You have play buttons, all this to control it. Oh, a microphone button, so we should be able to speak into it. And the product itself. Wow. I love the color of this right here. Look at that. It's like it's got flakes in it from a car. Very, very cool right there. SuperBox. This thing is sleek. There's some info on the back. Looks like we've got our surround sound plugs, our audio right here should be part of that surround sound, Ethernet cable, HDMI, power plug, everything you need right here on the box. Wow, we got a little TF card reader right here, so it's like a little SIM card. We've got USB 1, USB 2, and a little reset button right there. Very, very nice. SuperBox, this thing looks great. It's got the 2 antennas on it. Let's try it out. This is the SuperBox S6 Max. It is the ultimate Android TV box designed to elevate your entertainment experience. With its groundbreaking time shift feature, the SuperBox S6 Max lets you instantly access programs from the past 8 hours, so you'll never miss a moment of your favorite show. And is powered by 4 gigabytes of RAM and a 64 gigabytes of storage. The device is a multimedia powerhouse. Enjoy ultra-fast streaming with support of a 1 gigabyte Ethernet connection and dual-band Wi-Fi and the latest Wi-Fi 6 technology. Plus, it's got an upgraded Bluetooth remote with voice command, so it makes navigation easier than ever. Google.com. Good Tech Cheap. Brand new user interface and UX design, the S6 Max introduces a completely redesigned user interface and user experience, making navigation smoother, faster, and more intuitive. This new design enhances your interaction with the device, making it super easy to find and enjoy the content you love. Plus, it's got parental controls, so you can set that up to manage what your children can access, and it's never been simpler. With the revolutionary time shift function, it's groundbreaking. It's unlike any traditional playback feature. And like I said, it gives you instant access to the past 8 hours with just a simple click. The SuperBox S6 Max boasts a rectangular, elegant design with rounded edges, blending sophistication with modern touch. The box is crafted with high-quality metal and features a sleek design that fits seamlessly into any room, and it comes with a 1-year warranty, so it guarantees reliable performance and customer satisfaction. The SuperBox S6 Max is equipped with a Mali G31 MP2 GPU, designed to support 6K video resolution to deliver advanced image and video quality. This powerful GPU enhances your viewing experience by providing crisp, clear visuals and smooth playback, making it ideal for high-definition content. And it's got the latest voice control on it, so the SuperBox S6 Max integrates the most advanced voice control function that makes your streaming effortless. Convenience at your fingertips. Say what you want and the SuperBox AI Assistant will handle the rest. And super fast streaming and connectivity. It excels with data transfer and processing speeds because it features a 2.4 and 5 gigahertz dual band Wi-Fi and supports Wi-Fi 6. Complemented with that 1000 Mbps Ethernet ports, the dual external antennas ensure smooth streaming, while Bluetooth 5.2 it provides seamless connectivity with the latest tech devices. So why do you need an Android TV box? Well, pretty much every single Android app is available on it, so you can put Netflix and Hulu and HBO Max and all those things on it. So if you're having problems with your smart TV, blah, you need an Android TV box. And lots of them come with in-house software that is similar to things like Pluto TV, so you can get your entertainment experience going full speed. SuperBox, this thing is awesome. Great job. SuperBox is one of the leading companies for Android TV boxes, and they're always just chef's kiss. We want to give a huge shout out to SuperBox for sponsoring this video. You can find all their links down below. Don't forget, I've been today's host, Matthew. You've been watching Good Tech Cheap. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next review. Bye.